How to change age on Twitter. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'll simply guide you through the steps on how you can change the age on Twitter, so just make sure to watch the video till the very end. So if you'd like to change your age on Twitter, all you have to do is simply go ahead and first of all launch the Twitter application that you can find here. Once you launch the Twitter app, you're gonna see this type of interface where you just need to tap the profile icon from the top left hand side of the screen, then just go to the option called profile. Once you come to the profile page, just tap the edit profile option that you can find here. Once you tap on edit profile, if you look under it, you have this option called date of birth. Just tap on date of birth, and then right over here make sure to select your date of birth, tap on the edit option. Now you can just select a date of birth that will most likely fit your needs, then tap on continue, save the changes, and then your age will also get changed respectively. This way you can change the date of birth or age on Twitter. Hope this video was very helpful to you guys, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have got any questions, then feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.